Yoga Therapy 2 is really for those who want to go deeper into the techniques of yoga therapy. What you want to know about Yoga Therapy 2 is that it is hands-on and it does have a strong physical component, which requires a moderate level of strength, stamina, and no acute physical injuries that you were working with at the time of the training. You're going to be using your strength, your counterweight to help hold people into poses so that they are not efforting and struggling and can get the most out of whatever technique that you're doing. So for example, in Cobra pose, instead of a person having to hold themselves up, you would actually be holding them in techniques that we teach you, using props, using your body weight, so that they can experience the full heart and shoulder opening without having to hold their own body weight up. This is incredibly powerful work. This training pulls together many techniques that I have learned over the years, including elements from Thai bodywork, yoga sage, Phoenix Rising yoga therapy, Iyengar, yin, restorative, and so much more. And yet the total is so much more than the sum of the parts. We're going to be combining these 4 sequences, working with all of the chakras, using these techniques and facilitation to go into a deeper level than just the usual physical. We work with fascia to help the body not only get a stretch, but hold the alignments that we are creating through these yoga postures. We learn to move into subtler levels that we usually blow past and feel different kinds of cellular memories and things, tensions that have gotten lodged into the system. And with awareness and with a coach that's coaching you through these poses as you are held in the pose, you're able to clear through all kinds of things that you may not have even known were there, that were affecting your posture, affecting your mind and emotions. You will leave this course more aligned with yourself, more radiant, feeling more like yourself, and armed with the tools to help others do the same.